Okay, so today I'm going to be explaining my website that I made. So in the corner it says Miss Caserta, and then at the top it has the different pages that you can go to on my website. The first one is home, then a links page, an about page, a resume page, and a lesson plans. So on my home page I have the quote, "The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see," by Alexandra Trenfor. Then if you scroll down, I have my educational philosophies. So when you click on these links here, it'll take you to my different papers. So this is a teaching philosophy that I wrote for my multicultural education class. And then this is my tech philosophy that I wrote for this class. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, there's a picture of me with one of my pen pals, me in a classroom, and me with the first grader I tutored. Then onto the educational links page, I attached some different links for students, so ABC Yeah, the FunBrain website, Starfall, and GoNoodle. So if you click on these, the link's embedded right in the image, and you can go to the website. And then I have links for parents, so Fen Learning and Discovery Education, and then PBS Parents. Then I have links for teachers as well, so Kahoot, the Khan Academy, and ClassDojo. ClassDojo is my favorite. I will definitely be using this in my future classroom, just to connect with parents and the students as well. Then I have an about page. So this is titled A Little About Me, and I'll read some of it. I said, "My name is Celeste Caserta, and I'm currently a junior at the University of Mount Union. I'm aspiring to be an educator for elementary students. I have a slideshow of some different pictures of my pets, my family, and my friends. My current interests and hobbies are spending time with my friends, my family, traveling, shopping, crafting, loving my pets, and swimming." Then I have some about my education from high school all the way to college and where I studied abroad. Involvement, I talk about some of the different clubs that I'm involved in on campus. I put the Mount Union logo since I go to Mount Union. I talked about different experiences that I've had at Mount, so the different places that I've observed in while I've been here, the classrooms. And then I have the quote, "The past is your lesson, the present is your gift, and the future is your motivation." I also have my resume on its own page. So at the top of my resume, I have a logo, and it says student advocate, compassionate, devoted, and then it has my contact information at the top. For education, I have the University of Mount Union. I'm getting a Bachelor's of Arts in Education, Early Childhood Education, and my minor's intervention. My licensure will be pre-K through 3, 4, 5 endorsement and intervention. Again, just some of my activities, my honors, my certifications. This is just the basis for my resume. I'm going to hopefully extend on this into my senior year when I have more professional experiences to add on to it, like my preclinical and clinical student teaching. I added the different field observation places that I've observed at, information about the student I tutored, related work experiences, and just experiences in general, like studying abroad and lifeguarding and conducting swim lessons. So this is the resume I created. And then I also have a lessons plan page, and I linked a couple different lesson plans. I tried to get a bunch of the different subject areas. So I have a language arts lesson, a social studies, a technology-based math lesson, a regular math lesson, and then since I am minoring in intervention, I have a functional behavior assessment, an intervention plan, and my classroom management plan. So again, you can just click on these links and it'll take you right to the document so you can see it. Yeah, so I have those embedded in here. I would say my favorite part about my website is my links page. I think it's really cool how I could put these links on here and my students could go on to my own website and maybe click on different math links, or for homework I could tell them to go on there and click on the social studies link, or even have a link on here for parents to use. So I think this can be a really good resource as a future teacher.